Hi, I'm Heledd Roberts. I'm a wedding and portrait photographer from Bala, and I've been in business for 3 years now. The biggest challenge for me in business is working on my own. So as a self-employed photographer, it's a very lonely job. So what I've learned to embrace recently is working with other photographers and working with other businesses in the industry. So one of the greatest achievements for me in business was booking 21 weddings in my second year of business. Another achievement is I was able to go to Italy to photograph a wedding recently, which was a great experience. I wouldn't be a photographer right now if I didn't use Facebook, Twitter and Instagram to promote my work. It's free, it can connect with all kinds of people from all over the world, and the more people who know about you and your name, the better, and the more work that comes your way as well. So I've always had support from my friends and family, which is important, but also from tutors when I was at university. But then later on, when I started the business, Business Wales was there for me when I was looking to getting grants, exploring funding, and also they helped me out in a difficult patch in my business as well, which was very supportive. So a successful business person needs to be hardworking. You also need to be ready for changes and embrace them. Things change quickly in an industry, especially mine. You also have to be aware of taking risks. So I take risks every day in my business. I would choose Sharon Lecter. She is a writer who writes about money, and she's very wise about money and how we think about money, how consumers think about money. But she also explores voluntary work as well and how that can work within your business. Another person who I would love to have a sit down and chat with is Alex Polizzi. She's very straightforward and straight to the point with business matters, and I think if I spent an hour with her with a cup of tea, she would sort my business right out and head me in the right way. Tip number 1 for business is to collaborate with other businesses or individuals in your industry. Tip number 2 is to accept constructive criticism. So if someone gives some feedback on your work, bring it on board in your business. Don't completely ignore it. Tip number 3 is to always reinvest in your business. Recently I invested in going to Italy to photograph a wedding. I wasn't being paid to do this wedding, it was off my own back. And the reason I did that was because I can now have some images for my portfolio for my website, which is great. Diolch am wrando. Thank you.